Hi, it's Abby and Ashley from Dog Diaries, if you know me. If you don't, well, please check that out. But today I am here to tell a very, very, very serious thing. Okay, how do you do Donald thing? Sorry. Every dog needs a home, like Ginger, right here. Hi. Ugh. And Ginger. Ginger is a very sweet dog. And really, for real dogs that are in those adoption centers, sometimes they can't live. They're not having an easy time. But they may be really sweet, and they may be really small, and you need a guard dog, or something like that, or the opposite of what you want. But really, you should give them a home. It's not very fair to those guys. Anything you gotta say, Ginger? Well, I've been locked up for like 3 years, and I've had a really tough time. My tail was cut off. So, yeah. So, please, give pets homes. Or any pet that's stray. Not just dogs. But give a pet a home.